morning guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Breaking Free. As you can see, I am planning for one more trip and stay tuned with me to know more about this particular trip. So guys, good morning. I have started from my home. The time right now is 7:10. We are planning to go to Chikmagalur, which is about 5 hours from Bangalore, roughly about 300 kilometers. So this time around I'm going with my schoolmates. So I would request you to be with me in this particular video for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll try and show you as much scenic places as possible. Hopefully in the journey we will also be able to have some fun. So thanks for joining me. Guys, I have left Purna Pragna Nagar and I will be now going to Chandra Layout Vijayanagar in Bangalore. From there I'll be joined by my friend Deepak, and from his place we will head towards NH4, and in Yeshwanthpur we will be joined by one other friend of mine, and all three of us will head towards Hassan, and in Hassan we will be joined by another two friends, and I'll introduce them when they are going to be onboarding our vehicle. If you go straight from here, you will go to Mysore, but I am taking a right turn here, which will take me inside the Bangalore University. But yes, it's a beautiful place, nice setup for anyone to come in and enjoy their early morning walk or play their favorite sport. It really feels good, and I really enjoy whenever I come into this particular campus, whether it is doing my cycling or riding my bike, or otherwise coming in my car. I just enjoy this. Alright guys, I have reached Chandra Layout, my friend's house. One of my friends joining in from Chandra Layout. So from here we will reach to Yeshwanthpur, and from there we will hit the NH4 to reach Hassan. We are now going to be joined with one of our other friend. Can you say hi to my viewers?
Hi.
This is the express elevator. This connects Yeshwanthpur to Nelmangla, and this is a toll road. I think the toll is about 20 rupees one way. And we are cruising in this road. Maybe in the next 15 minutes we will reach Nelmangla, and from Nelmangla we will take a left turn. Okay guys, we have taken a left turn from NH4, and we have started towards place called Hassan. Hassan is about 170-180 kilometers. Am I right, Deepu?
From Bangalore.
From Bangalore.
Here around 160.
160. Okay, so 160 kilometers. Roughly, I believe it will take 2.5-3 hours, because we are also going to take a break in the next 15-20 minutes since we have not had our breakfast. So we have taken a break. This is a place called Sambram, and in this particular place we are going to have our breakfast. This is just about 20-25 kilometers from Nelmangla toll. I'll see you on the breakfast table. ಸರ್ 2x3 ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
2x3 ಟೀ ಅಲ್ಲ, 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳು. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿತ್ಯ 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳು? 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತೀಯಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಶಿವ, ನೀನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದೆ ಆ ಥರ 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಟೀ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ದಿವಾಕರ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ನಮ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆ ಟೀ, ನಮ್ದು ಈ ಟೀ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನೆ.
ಈಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು 2x3 ಟೀ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಟೀನ ಒಂದೇ, ದಿವಾಕರ್ನ ಒಂದೇ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, ವಿಜಯ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತಾನೆ, ಹೇಳು ಒಂದೇ.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಶಿವ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಖರಾಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಹಂಗೆ
ಆ ಥರ ಅಣ್ಣೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, ಮನೆ ಅಣ್ಣೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಕೆಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಶುರು ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ನೀನು 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ 2x3 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಬೇಗ.
Okay guys, we have completed our breakfast. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಅವರ್ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಹಾಸನ್ಗೆ. 150 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಟೈಮು ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಟೈಮು ದೀಪು?
9:25.
ಈಗ 9:25. ಸೊ ನಾನು 1 ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ತುಂಬ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಸನ ಕಡೆ ಹೊರಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿರಿಸಾವಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೇರ ಹತ್ರ ಚನ್ನರಾಯಪಟ್ಟಣ ಈ ಹತ್ತತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಈ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಟೆಂಪಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಚೆಯಿಂದ.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತನಾ?
ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ.
ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ
ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಲ್ಲ.
ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ದೇವ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದು ದೇವ್ರ ಸನ್ನಿಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಒಂದೇನೆ. ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ನೀವು ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾವ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳೋದು. ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಚ್ಚೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯ್ ಗೋವೇಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಹೆಸರು. ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಅವ್ರು ಒಂಥರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ದ್ರೋಣಾಚಾರ್ಯರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏಕಲವ್ಯ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು 100 ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು 1%. ಅವರ ಈ ಕೆಚ್ಚೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರ ದಾರಿಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅವರೇ ಗುರುಗಳು ಕೆಚ್ಚೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
15 ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಿಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ 5 ಅವರ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ, 5 ಅವರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ, 2.25 ಅವರ್ ತಾನೇ ಹಾಕೋದು. ನೀವು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
देखो चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह
और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से।
Taken a small little break here. This place is called Shanti Grama Toll, which is about just before Hassan. I think Hassan is about 15-20 kilometers from here. We just took this break to have a cup of tea. You can see the folks enjoying and relaxing. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿಜಯ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೀ.
ಮೈ ಪ್ಲೆಜರ್.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಆಯಿತು ಗುರುವೆ. So as you can see, we are enjoying this time with a nice cup of tea. Once this is done, we will head towards Hassan, which is about 20 kilometers, as I said a while ago. And in Hassan, we are going to be joined by another couple of friends of us, and I'll introduce you when I reach there. Till then, stay with me. Now we are in Hassan. We are now joined by two more friends. One of them is ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೋಕಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಣ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅವರು, ಇವನು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಡ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತು. ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಜಿಗಿ ಜಿಗಿ ಜಾರಗ.
Okay friends, we are in Hassan. Time right now is 11:50. Now heading towards Chikmagalur. I believe, Deepu, how much time it will take for us to reach
destination? Around 2 hours.
2 hours. This is a place which is known for the rainfall and a lot of greenery. So stay with us. taken a break to have a cup of tea. This is a place called Raghavendra Highway Cafe. This is a nice place as well, so I just thought to stop the vehicle for about 5 minutes and enjoy a good strong cup of tea.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear.
So this is called Bandegal Homestay. I believe there is a Bandekallu just behind this bungalow. That is why it is called Bandekallu Homestay. Okay, so there is it seems a Bande behind this bungalow. So let me just show you that very quickly. Okay, so that is Bande. So I'm entering into this homestay. Let's see how this homestay is going to be. I believe they have converted a house into more of a commercial homestay setup. So this is a sort of a living room where people can come and sit and relax, and there are rooms on either side. Okay, so this is one of the rooms. Decent. Very good. is 8:15. So this is that rock, famous rock, for which this place is known for. Some time from now, we will be going there. There are multiple ways in which you can climb up the hill. One is of course the easiest one, which is using your jeep and going in there. A lot of people also do trekking, of course, if they have the time. So since we don't have the time today, so we will probably not be doing a trekking. Instead we will use a jeep to quickly go there. It is breakfast time, guys, and for the breakfast we have dosa.
Set dosa and lemon rice.
Set dosa and lemon rice. Okay.
For set dosa, you have, I think this is aloo sabji and
Okay.
Coconut chutney.
Okay. Coconut chutney, and then this is lemon rice. Okay, fantastic, and everyone here is enjoying their moment with this breakfast. Once we are done with this breakfast, we will start our journey to Bandekallu. That's the next point, and until then, stay with us. Good morning, guys. We are actually now heading to a place called Bandekallu, and we are going in the private vehicle. This is a Jeep, Mahindra Jeep. This is a 4-wheel drive, so I'm sure this is going to be a tough terrain for people to drive. And as you can see, already my camera has started shaking. So I'll show you some places as I move from here to Bandekallu.
तेरी ही बातें हो, सुबह सी रातें हो, जब से मिला है तू, दिल को मिला सुकून। तू ही राह मेरी, तू ही सफर है, तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है। चैन न जाने, दर्द न जाने, दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने। मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मरे।
This is what we called cherry, coffee cherry.
Okay.
So people will pick this, pluck this, and will pulp this.
Okay.
So second stage is pulping,
Uh-huh.
and the third stage, after pulping, we'll put for the drying ad.
Uh-huh.
So whenever the moisture will clear,
Uh-huh.
then we will put it to curing.
Okay.
After curing, then we will roast the coffee and mix some sort of chicory,
Okay.
and it will become coffee powder.
Okay, currently in what state this is, because the color looks very red.
This is the picking time.
This is the picking time. So the color changes after you pick it up and then put it across for drying, is it?
No, first after picking we'll pulp it. We'll
Oh.
remove the skin.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're going to remove the skin and then...
the seed inside the seed will know.
Uh-huh.
That seed will put it on the drying yard.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
After
okay.
drying we'll cure it.
Ah, okay.
After that we'll roast it with
Ah.
some sort of.
And then that is ready for the market.
Coffee powder will be ready.
Okay, fantastic. So good to know, Deepak. Guys, you can move. You can move forward.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಒಪ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ತಂತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ
So this is a small lane, guys. This is a lane which will take us to that viewpoint. After we've reached to the top of this hill, we need to travel. We need to rather walk for another 5-10 minutes, do a little small trek, and then you would visit that spot where you can see some very beautiful scenic place.
Hi. The best view comes after the hard climb.
Absolutely, you're right, my friend. The best view comes after the hard climb, and you can see the reality, guys, here.
On a Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, 'cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. You look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people. Champagne and rolled up nose, prenups and broken homes. Surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful.
Baggy, how did you feel this trip, man?
Very good. Outstanding.
Okay.
ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಡ?
ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ನ ಹೊಡಿಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೊಡಿಬೋದು.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್,
Hi. So location is good, climate is good, and ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದು we went to that off-roading drive now to the ಬಂಡೆಕಲ್, actual ಬಂಡೆಕಲ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್, ನಾವು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 5 ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಮೈಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಫರ್ಗೆಟಬಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ
Absolutely, my friend. I also hope, because I believe in the fact that hope is bigger than Pope. Okay?
Yes.
All right, guys. The trip to Bandekal Homestay is coming to an end. I enjoyed the trip. It was an awesome trip along with my friends. So thanks for being with us. Until next time that we see you, it's sign off from all of us. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you.